When you send text messages with your iPhone, you can add special effects. I'm sure you've seen this one, where you send happy birthday, and it has balloons. That's automatic. There's others that you can add that aren't automatic. You can also add balloons as well if you want. So we type in the message, and we tap and hold the send button. And here we have our effects menu. We have bubble effects and screen effects. So for the bubble, the text itself, we have that effect, the slam, we have loud, we have gentle, and we have invisible ink. I'm not sure what invisible ink is. We're going to send that later. I think you can probably tap on it and it shows you what the message is, but right now it's just jumbled. For the screen effects, these are effects that are covering the whole screen. So we have one called echo, and this one is spotlight. Here's the balloons. So you can send balloons with any message you want, not just happy birthday. There's confetti. There's a heart. There's a laser light show. There's fireworks. There's whatever this is. That's the last one. So when you send with any of these, the laser light show is pretty cool. Just tap on the send button, and now it sends, or it has it as a laser light show. It goes for a certain amount of seconds and it goes away, just like the balloons do. And my phone's actually vibrating as well as that happens. And people can tap on replay to see that light show again, which is pretty neat. I want to see what the invisible ink does. So let's tap and hold on our send button again. Tap on invisible ink, send it, because it's all jumbled. Yeah, if you tap on it, it then goes to what the message is. It's like a secret message, which is pretty cool. And if you want to encrypt your text messages, this is the video you should watch next. If you got value from the one you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.